Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's Video Resource Library. In this session, we're going to talk about backing up the LiAM backend database. It's very important as this contains all of your data, and you're going to want to have backup copies available in case something happens to the primary copy. Now, the LiAM database is in a shared folder that all of your users will have access to because they'll need that access to be able to connect their clients to the backend database, which means they could get into that folder and inadvertently delete the primary database or even the backup. So we're going to show you ways to mitigate that at this point. Let's go ahead and open up the LiAM interface and log in. And if you're an administrator, you'll be able to go over to the admin tab, open it, and select parameters. I want to talk about three options for backing up. The first is the mode. You can back up your database once a day on the first login, or you can back up the database every time a user logs on, or you can manually back up the database from the home page. We prefer to have that done daily with the first user that logs on. When they do log on, a backup script will fire and create a backup copy of the server database. The second option is, do you want to overwrite the prior day's backup or do you want to create a new one? If you leave the option set to N, then a date timestamp will be added to the file name and you'll begin to accumulate daily versions of the backup database. This could be desirable if you need to log on to a version you created a week ago or a month ago or even a year ago to see what your database looked like back in time. The third option is you have the ability as an administrator to designate a certain folder that maybe only you have permissions to, so that a backup version will be created in that folder as well. That way, no one but you can get into that folder, no one but you can do anything with that server. All right, so we've just set up the NetPath backup alternate path to our desktop to show you what will happen when we trigger a manual backup. So let's close this, go back to the home page, and we're going to select manually back up the server. It'll go ahead and back the server up and let you know when it's completed. Now in this case, because I had a backup path to my desktop, you can see right here that it created a backup version of the server right here in the desktop. But this could easily be a location that only you have access to. And if we go into the LiAM folder and we look now into the production backup folder, we're going to see that it created the latest version of the server with a date timestamp on it. All right, this completes our session on backing up the LiAM database. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out to us on our website contact page and let us know how we can help you.